To understand why this battlefield exists, you have to go back 2 generations, to 2 brothers. One, Dhritarashtra, was born blind, and by ancient law, that meant he could not rule. So the throne passed instead to his younger brother, Pandu. It was a decision made with no cruelty intended, but it planted a seed of resentment that would take decades to fully bloom. Pandu had 5 sons, the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra had 100, the Kauravas, the eldest being Duryodhana. They grew up together in the same palace, trained by the same teacher, the great warrior sage Drona. But childhood rivalry curdled into something darker. Duryodhana watched Bhima's strength, Arjuna's skill with a bow, and felt only one thing: threatened. What began as sibling competition slowly became something closer to hatred. The rivalry escalated. Duryodhana, along with his uncle Shakuni, built a palace of flammable lacquer, inviting the Pandavas to stay, intending to burn them alive in their sleep. The Pandavas escaped barely and lived in hiding for a time, presumed dead by most of the kingdom. During their years in hiding, the Pandavas attended a Swayamvara, a contest where a princess would choose her husband through trial. Arjuna, in disguise, performed a feat of archery no other prince could match, and won the hand of Draupadi, daughter of King Drupada. Through a chain of events, she became wife to all 5 Pandava brothers, a marriage unlike any other in the epic, and one that would place her at the very center of everything that followed. Eventually, the Pandavas were given half the kingdom, a stretch of land they transformed into the magnificent city of Indraprastha. It thrived, and that success only deepened Duryodhana's envy. Watching his cousins prosper where he expected them to fail was, for him, unbearable. Duryodhana's uncle, Shakuni, devised a plan, a game of dice rigged from the start. Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava, was drawn in and lost everything: his wealth, his kingdom, his brother's freedom. And finally, in a moment that would echo through the rest of the story, he wagered and lost Draupadi herself. She was dragged into the royal court and publicly humiliated, an act so severe it hardened every Pandava's resolve for what was to come. The Pandavas were exiled for 13 years as a condition of the game's outcome. When the 13 years ended, the Pandavas returned, expecting their kingdom back as promised. Duryodhana refused. Krishna himself traveled to the Kaurava court, pleading for peace, asking for even the smallest compromise. Just 5 villages, 1 for each brother. Duryodhana's answer was final: not even enough land to fit a needle's point. With peace no longer possible, both sides called upon every ally, every kingdom, every warrior bound by loyalty or blood. 2 vast armies marched toward a single field, Kurukshetra, and there cousins would face cousins. For a war neither side could still avoid.